Today I will use Photopea, a great Photoshop alternative, to swap faces and create a fake image. So I already loaded the main image, and now I'm going to drag and drop the second image with the face I want to use. If you cannot see the second image, just like me, check your layers panel, maybe you load the image below. So drag it up, and here it is. I already see that the second image, the face is way smaller, so I can stretch it straight away while I'm still loading it. Just remember, press Shift to maintain the 1:1 proportion of the original. Alright, we don't need to be exactly precise here, but just more or less similar size. Click OK at the top. Perfect, now we can head to View and zoom in a bit, because we need to cut out this face. Grab yourself a lasso tool on the left, that's the selection tool here. And remember, we need only facial features. We don't need any hair, we don't need the whole head. So select only facial features. You don't need to be super precise with this selection. Just like that. And now we want to move this to a brand new layer. So the quickest way is to simply copy and paste. So Command C, Command V. And as you can see, I got this on the layer above, so I can delete this whole big image now. Alright, let's grab a move tool and be sure your transform controls are selected so you can see those controls around this face. Let's move this to the correct position. We can help ourselves by reducing opacity temporarily, so we can kind of see through this image. And thanks to that, we can kind of try to align it. Usually eye to eye is the best method, right? Eye to eye. Okay, I confirm this new position. I put back the opacity to 100%. Now the final touch will be to use the eraser tool to clean up some areas that may touch like hair. We want a skin-to-skin contact. So if something is overlapping with the hair, like here at the top, I just clean this out. Alright, now it looks super fakey and unnatural, so we need to blend it in. To do that, we need to select both layers same time. So hold Shift and be sure both layers are highlighted like this. Both layers are selected. Head to Edit menu at the top and search for Autoblend. Click on it, and it will blend the new face with the colors from the original face, just like that. And now let's zoom out a bit. And here's our brand new fake image that we can now click File, Export As, and download this as JPEG to our computer. So that's how you create fake images. That's how you swap faces using free software called Photopea. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.